Hey fellas, we have the good old Makita DDF482 and this one is just not working. I'll take the battery to show that. For the DC, of course. So we have nothing, and now I will try to remove the brushes. And you can see that we have the voltage when the brushes is removed, so maybe you can see of the light. We have the volts, so that's a common problem for this model, and that means the switch is faulty and needs to be replaced. Okay, now we have the switch. You can see the switch part number. You can easily find this switch for sale at my shop. Normally I stock 1 or 2 of them. And yeah, we have the blue wire, and commonly what I can see, this one is just cut it and not connected. I don't know if that helps or not, but I've honestly seen that in many of repair shops. So what we need to do now, we need to disconnect the wires. Don't forget that the red one was on this side, on the M1. And the black one was M2. Okay, the spring. Can't remove the spring. Okay, so this wire will be cut it like in many other shops. If that's bad, write and let me know why, because honestly I don't know. Okay, we have the LED light here. Let's check for the heatsink. Okay, the MOSFET is tight in it, and probably now I'll put the LED light. I'll push out the lid here. As you can see, we have the gaps here for the wires. So connecting the red one, the black one. Inserting the heatsink with the MOSFET. Now we have 3 wires here, and let's just disconnect them. Okay, what we know from our basics, we know that the yellow goes in the middle. So we have the yellow in the middle, and now think like that. This one will be like that, so the terminals must be like that, and the positive is the red one, the negative the black one, and sorry, missed the side of the pins. Okay, now Making sure that the connectors are in place and have good connection. Bending the wires to fit in the housing, not forgetting the direction changing button. Okay, do we have everything looks nice? Probably yes. Putting the sticker inside with the repair date. Let's check, maybe I did something wrong here. I'm checking here, maybe I have the, yeah, I have one of the wire out of the gap. Now I think we have it in, yeah. It looks like, yep. Okay, trying to close it. Good. Tightening the screws. Okay, the brushes, I've replaced them. So it's CB440, you can buy them in the shop. Okay, now we need to run small test. It's working, but what I want to do, I want to show you for a short time that now we have the voltage on the brushes. Cannot run it for a long time, but the voltage is getting up when you're pressing the switch. So if you want to burn it a little bit, you can run it without a back cover. That's really not recommended. Okay, have reset it. Oh, the bearing is dry but good. Okay. Now let's put a cover. Okay, now that's good. Okay, we have some things happening with the check here. Okay, I need to figure out what is going with this check because it's not moving. The customer not told that. Okay, that will be in the next video, I think. For now, thumbs up and bye. Okay, I have told that it will be the next video for this one, and here's the next video. We have the problem with the check, and it just stuck when I was testing it. Just unscrew the screw here. Strange, got really easily. Okay, what can we do now? We can try to spin the check. And we want to see, oh yeah, we have the jaws not aligned. And it's okay. I will be needed to check the brush holder here. Let's try the Allen key trigger here. Going it for the unscrewing and turning it on. As it's a night now, I will try just for a couple of times. Okay, I think I will get back on this one on a day, because now it's almost midnight. Okay, waited for over the night, and now we can try to unscrew this one. And okay, you can try to do that in a more simple way. Of course, not going in here, putting it on a slow mode. Okay, can't do that, so. And for the brushes, I have sanded the brushes a little bit because they are stuck in the brush holder. Okay, that's right. Easy as that. Just needed to get to the lower speed, I think. Okay, this check is definitely going out, and I have told the price for the customer for the repair, and normally I'm not increasing the price on this in case like that. Of course, it's not often it happens that, but I have the sometimes I have usage checks, and sometimes I have just the checks removed from other drill. This one looks quite new, but it is like it is. I cannot charge the customer for that. I have not checked the check. So giving the customer the new check and just forgetting it, and that it is like it is. Okay, so checking it again. Okay, good as new, and I will just clean this part here, and that's all. We have repaired it, changed the check, the brushes, and the switch. Thank you for watching. Press thumbs up if you are waiting video for some kind of tool. Just let me know. I will try to find it broken or something and repair it, tear it down, and so on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.